If you are a beginner who wants to start building wealth, here are 5 investment tips for you. Number 1, set investment goals. Decide what you want to get out of investing. The things to consider include your age, your personal financial goals, and your financial position. Number 2, look at your finances. Before you start investing, look at how much money you have to invest. Be realistic about it and make sure that you leave yourself with enough money to pay for your other important bills. Number 3, invest early. The earlier you start investing, the better. The sooner you start investing, the lesser money that you will need to save to achieve your financial goals. Number 4, set up retirement accounts. Investing for your retirement early would lead you to exponential wealth over the long run, with the less capital that you'll need to put on your savings. Number 5, make investments automatic. Set aside a certain amount of money to be automatically invested each month. By doing this, you will consistently invest and build your fortune much faster. Like and follow for more tips.